What if you only had 24 hours to soak up the sun in the gem of the Caribbean, San Juan? No, not Juan, the guy from your local coffee shop, but San Juan, the capital of Puerto Rico. Could you squeeze all the magic into just one day? Let's find out. San Juan, where the old meets the new, where cobblestone streets meet golden beaches, where the rhythm of salsa dances through the air. This city is a melting pot of history, culture, and stunning landscapes. From the mighty El Morro fortress standing guard over the city, to the vibrant murals that grace its streets, San Juan is a feast for the senses. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't San Juan just about pina coladas and getting caught in the rain? Well, my friend, you're about to discover that it offers so much more. So buckle up, or better yet, slather on some sunscreen as we dive into the top 4 things to do in San Juan in just 24 hours. And no, taking a siesta isn't one of them. First stop, Old San Juan. It's like stepping into a time machine, but without the pesky threat of altering the timeline or being chased by dinosaurs. Behold the charm of Old San Juan, where cobblestone streets whisper tales of yesteryears and pastel-colored colonial buildings wink at you from every corner. Picture this, an old city, but with a vibrant heartbeat. Historic forts like El Morro stand tall, a testament to the city's resilience, while the nightlife is as sizzling as a plate of hot empanadillas. Now, getting lost in the labyrinth-like streets is a rite of passage here, and trust me, you'll bump into some intriguing characters along the way. From the churro lady with her cart of golden delights to the salsa dancer, who can't help but move to the city's rhythm. Remember, if you didn't get a picture in front of the rainbow-colored houses, did you even visit Old San Juan? Just kidding, but seriously, get that shot. Next, let's talk food. And no, we don't mean the questionable street hot dog at 2 a.m. We're talking about authentic Puerto Rican cuisine. First up, mofongo. This delectable dish is a symphony of mashed plantains, garlic, and olive oil, usually piled high with succulent shrimp or juicy pork. It's the kind of meal that makes you want to take a siesta right at the table. Then there's lechon. Picture this, a whole pig, slow roasted until the skin is crispy and the meat practically melts in your mouth. It's a feast fit for a king, or a particularly hungry tourist. And let's not forget tostones. These twice-fried plantain slices are the perfect sidekick to any Puerto Rican dish. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, they're the culinary equivalent of a warm hug. So remember, when in San Juan, eat as the locals do. Your taste buds will thank you, even if your diet plan might not. Last but not least, let's not forget why many of you came to San Juan, to get that perfect tan. Or in my case, a perfect sunburn. Now San Juan is more than just a pretty beach. It's a symphony of sun, sea, and sand, with an orchestra of palm trees swaying in the wind. But if you're feeling a bit adventurous, why not take a detour to the El Yunque rainforest? It's a tropical paradise that's home to a symphony of sounds, from the croaking of coquis to the rustling of leaves. Then, as night falls, prepare to be dazzled by the magical bioluminescent bay. It's like a disco under the sea, except the partygoers are microscopic organisms, lighting up the water with their natural glow. Choosing between these options is like picking a favorite child, but hey, who said life was easy? So there you have it, folks. One day in San Juan, packed with history, culture, food, and nature. And if you think that was a whirlwind, just wait until you actually get there. Well, our 24 hours in San Juan are up, and so is our video. We've wandered through history, savored local cuisine, and even glowed in the dark. As for post-vacation blues, remember, every ending is a new beginning. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more whirlwind tours around the world. Until next time, keep dreaming of San Juan. It's certainly dreaming of you.